Green first, yeah?
It's clay.
No. 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, this is great entertainment. This is going on YouTube.
Oh, because up on Emer and Robbo who gets all the reactions there.
So, spicy.
Spice won't go away.
That spicy stuff.
What's in the drink?
The label, like. It doesn't say. It's just like in a bowl of green. It looks like ice cream. I need a drink.
Is it still spicy?
Emer, drink that. I got no coke.
Sushi.
What is it? Raw fish.
Fish adds like
Fish in its skin.
Oh.
All of it. All of it. 3, 2, 1, go.
In bits to it.
I think we're making a meal. Oh, Emer, we found something you don't like.
What is it anyway?
You said you were out for a dare.
I like your watch, by the way, Rob.
Zoom.
You're both faces. You are. Is it hot?
Ready, Emer? Hang on.
Fish and rice. Fish and rice.
What?
That's salmon, isn't it?
That does not look right. Get a fork. Right, ready? Cut. Teamwork. Right, ready?
I need a bit of a break.
It's the green thing. Just so you go. Can you do it first? No.
I can do everything.
Oh, by the way, Emer, you got some of that green stuff on there.
Yeah, both.
I should do like a load of sushi.
Have you ever tried it?
You can't be sick all over the cultural food. Are you gonna be sick? Do you want a serviette? Or a napkin? Is it nice? Oh, he's trying it now.
Oh, slimy.
I think. How do you eat this stuff?
Chew and swallow.
I think it's octopus.
Actually, by the way, this is Japanese, not Chinese food.
I noticed.
And Chinese.
Oh, have a bit of the sauce. Yeah, the sauce is actually nice.
Oh no, not there. Soy sauce.
Oh my god, that's another video for me.